The bathroom is getting close to being done. The cover plate for the switch and the outlet. I ordered the shower door, waiting for that to install it. Clean up that mess, add the shower valve and the head, and then finish that little section. Add the toilet paper holder somewhere over here. Paint the door and switch the door handle with something darker. I recently add the vinyl flooring over here. Then I gotta add the baseboard and the trims. Add the closet door. And the trims. And then paint everything. I am really excited to get this portion of the house done and move on to something new. The plan is to continue this vinyl flooring throughout the whole house. This tile gonna come out and it's gonna go all the way to the house. I am really happy with the way this project turned out.